Hey everyone, it's Chris from Heat Press Nation, and welcome to Upcycling Vintage, a series where we show you creative ways to breathe new life into old garments. In today's video, we'll show you how you can get started in the art of upcycling vintage. Then, after we've turned our thrifted items into new pieces, we'll reveal how much was spent and how much you can make in profit by upcycling with a heat press.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the Goodwill bins right now. Hopefully you find some nice shirts and flannels, but the best thing about going to the bins is that you literally never know what you're going to get. So what you gotta do is go with an open mind and just get creative. Right now, we're outside the Goodwill Marketplace right here in Santa Ana, California. That's right down the street from our HPN HQ. Every morning at 9 a.m. they have tons, and I mean tons, of clothes just unloaded into these bins for you to purchase. You can literally get a full bag of clothes for under $10. They charge $2.99 per pound, so let's see what we can get.
So as you can see, I was able to come away with a little more than just a few items. I also ordered some heat glue as well as sublimation and embroidery patches from Amazon to help us rework our worn pieces. Now let's begin. So I found some nice trendy denim jackets with some visible wear in it. You can see some light distressing and maybe even a faded wash, but in my opinion, it just gives it more of the vintage vibe that we are looking for. Now, the reason I chose to use heat glue was because I think it'll work really well in attaching garments together without requiring a sewing machine. So that's what we're gonna do. First, what we're going to do is lay our denim jacket flat on the table as it's going to be our canvas for today's project. Now, we're going to take our vintage tee and lay it over the back of the jacket where you want the shirt to be placed. Then, cut out the shirt, leaving room on the edges for it to be able to be trimmed. Finally, place a pressing pillow on your heat press and place the denim jacket on top. Now glue the bottom half of the shirt followed by the top, all while ensuring a smooth and flat surface throughout. Press for 15 seconds to fully activate the heat glue, and the shirt should be permanently attached to the back of the jacket. Now let's add some embroidery patches. These patches are pressed on, so all you have to do is set the time and temperature, then press it down. How easy is that? There you have it. These old throwaway denim jackets now have new lives and are also super trendy. For our next project, we're going to turn this used corduroy overshirt into a new custom piece. Using your vinyl cutter of choice, cut out any design that you'd like and then weed out all the unnecessary parts. This process could take a while, so be sure to be very careful and take your time. You definitely don't want to waste any vinyl, especially for designs as large as this. After you're done weeding, lay the corduroy overshirt over the bottom platen of your heat press. Make sure you've created a smooth surface before pre-pressing. Now that your garment is ready for application, carefully center your transfer on the back of the shirt. Since we are using Caesar Easy Puff, our heat press is going to be set to 310 degrees and we're going to press for 15 seconds. Then, just let the auto open do its thing and voila. You've successfully turned your old throwaway jacket into a one-of-one piece that can now be resold. The best part about it is it basically cost me nothing. If you're interested in any of the materials used in this video, they'll all be linked in the description below. Also, if you guys have any more ideas on what to upcycle with a heat press, let me know in the comments below as well. My name is Chris with Heat Press Nation, and I'll see you all in the next video.